The Black Steel Elite front bumper by Fab Fours gives you that classic ranch design with a smooth plate finish. It's made from 12 gauge and 1/4 inch steel, ensuring durability that can handle whatever the road throws at you. The ranch style bumper comes with a smooth matte black finish, giving your Super Duty that rugged look. You can choose between the full guard, pre-runner guard, or no guard options. And it's customizable. You can add a winch tray, D-ring mounts, a 2-inch receiver, or lower guards. And for those who need it, the Black Steel Elite comes with tow hooks as standard, because you never know when they might come in handy. And speaking of winch trays, this thing can handle a whopping 16,500 pounds. The Black Steel Elite accommodates the factory 360-degree camera. And while there might be some minor interference with the full grill guard or the pre-runner guard, it's nothing you can't handle. And if you're looking for unparalleled style and reliability, trust the Fab Fours Black Steel Elite front bumper. It's the perfect blend of rugged durability and head-turning design. But make sure to check the website for the compatibility of this bumper with your Super Duty. If you want to know more about the Black Steel Elite front bumper by Fab Fours, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.